Yeah, wasted youth, LF. This one goes out to all them bitches who dropped out of the set. Y'all could've been here right here with us, but y'all turned your backs and ran the other way. Now you the same niggas on the other side trying to come at us. Well, you know what? Fuck you.
Yo, it said left to my last breath. Got it inked in my flesh and it beats through my chest. I stay lame, laughing at my enemies. Only reason why they hate is simply cause they envy me. And I can't believe that y'all just upped and left, turning your back on me, mocked yourselves for death. Fuck your reasons for leaving, I'll never believe them. So hold your breath. Deceit spread as a disease that infected I left. Had me misreading the signs, eyes open but blind. You stabbed me in the back, I took the blood from this knife. We're on this track, got you gasping for air. It's like you can't breathe, feeling trapped, no escape from the past. How long did you really think running would last? As time passed, I became fascinated with the thought of you laying in the casket. Wasted, I stayed true, unlike you, not copying and pasting.
Whatever happened to the code for which we rode? Hand a sense of pride for the loyalty we showed. Respect was always owed and trust was bestowed. For the life of a family is why our blood flowed. An oath was taken into our hearts, it was sold. The essence of purity is one in which we all glowed. The principles we stood for would never erode. So how did we ever come to a fork in the road? Fuck all my enemies, regardless who the fuck they be. I'm reppin' LF till the day I finally DIE. I'm riding solo cause these niggas dropping out of me, and yet I'm still dripping in my colors bank family. It's for my insanity, I'm judged by all humanity, but I don't give a fuck, I stay throwing up the family. I'll never change my image, I'm addicted to the vanity. So fuck you lame niggas without excusing my profanity. And all you cowards who drop your rags and abandon me, the only way you'll leave this world is bagged up as a casualty. This ain't no warning, it's the prologue to your fatality. You'll be murdered so savage, you better buy the gang's brutality. You haters hate on me because of my originality. Y'all mad at the fact we don't share a commonality, when in all actuality should hate the technicality that created this reality where I have my own personality. Whatever happened to the code for which we rode? Hand a sense of pride for the loyalty we showed. Respect was always owed and trust was bestowed. For the life of a family is why our blood flowed. An oath was taken into our hearts, it was sold. The essence of purity is one in which we all glowed. The principles we stood for would never erode. So how did we ever come to a fork in the road? I took a different path than the niggas I know, cause I'm the one who put the work in for the shit to grow. And I'm the one with my enemies all over the nose. So where the fuck you get off thinking I'ma let this go? Fuck you lame ass bitches, cause the coward will always show. Even if you try to hide it, yellow belly will glow. So only thing I can say is I'm ashamed of you bro, for switching sets in the game. Hold the love for a hoe, you never steal from your homies, yet if you're low on dough. Responsible for your own decisions, yet you blame me though. Talking shit behind my back like you didn't think I would know. Tell me something y'all, how could you even be that low? And how long ago did the ink inside your skin become something you no longer stand for within? Used to say trust no other lest it be your brother, but even then trust no one cause cowards lie inside our hearts of men. Whatever happened to the code for which we rode? Hand a sense of pride for the loyalty we showed. Respect was always owed and trust was bestowed. For the life of a family is why our blood flowed. An oath was taken into our hearts, it was sold. The essence of purity is one in which we all glowed. The principles we stood for would never erode. So how did we ever come to a fork in the road?